Whatever you do, sis, keep it cute, sis. Leave that beef at the roof, Chris, I end up toothless. I've been official my whole life. I get sprayed, I get sprayed.
Hello visionary beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this gorgeous Nubian unicorn summer sleigh, then please continue to watch. Now if you want to see different styles you can put this wig in, or a more detailed review on the actual hair, why don't you go ahead and check out my other review. I'll probably link it in here somewhere. This review is to show you a little bit on how I created this gorgeous unit. It's not as super detailed as I would like it to be, because I'm missing some of my clips which I can't find. But keep in mind I did this at work when I was in between clients, so I got most of the stuff that I could get. Hopefully you guys could keep up with the things that I'm showing you. Most of it is going to be visual. I may, jump in there here and there to describe or tell you what I'm doing, but for the most part it's going to be a visual learning experience. Check out this review or this tutorial and leave your comments down below. For this unit, I used about close to 10 to 11 packs of hair with a mixture of about 6 Bobbi Boss and maybe about 7 Outre. I'm not really sure, I forgot to count, I lost count. I know it sounds like a bit much for the hair, but you got to keep in mind that these packs of hair come with very little hair in them. So it's not like a traditional pack of braiding hair. It's not that full because they have been blown out and stretched. So it's a lot less than you would think. This hair, I kind of made a little big. The cap that I used was a little bit loose, but obviously it still worked. And I like the fact it's a little loose because if I want to rock it for the summer, I don't have to worry about being too snug on my head. It doesn't have any combs. It's just a lace front that I purchased on Amazon a couple years back, and a mesh cap. So I just figured out what braid pattern I wanted. When you see me braiding it and leaving some hair out, I was trying to go for the boho, but with this particular hair, it wasn't working for the boho. So I would suggest buying the water wave or bohemian and using that with the hair, and then going as you would normally braid and leave out. So I did go back in and re-braid the hair all the way through to the ends without leaving out any hair. So this is the outcome I did. Now I did hot water set these using some perm rods, and I use a medium and then a smaller one. I'll leave the sizes, 2 sizes that I use in a photo somewhere in here. That's how I create these curls, and I just sat it in hot water. Now I let it sit for about maybe 20 minutes. Then I took it out and I dried it with my towel and let it air dry. I did bleach the knots on this using some BW2 powder and about a 30 volume developer. I also used a crochet needle, and what I did was crochet the hair for the cap, for the knitted part to the back, and I crocheted extra braiding hair, any loose braiding hair you have hanging around, which I used was 1B or 1, and I used that and I threaded it instead of using thread or pre-braiding them and then sewing them on. I just decided to go ahead and crochet some hair through, and then I use that as my anchor to braid the hair onto. You will need T-pins, a wig block, and a mannequin stand to achieve this. This took me about 2 to 3 weeks. Now it took me that long because I did have to stop in between to take care of my clients. Let me know what you guys think about this tutorial. If you want to see more like this, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you and hopefully come out with some more. And please continue to share these videos, support your girl so I can keep coming and supporting you. Let us win together. I will also be leaving products and items I use to achieve this look down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Hopefully if I find links to everything where you can purchase them at as well. You would love to see more from me or keep up to date with me, you can also check out my social media platforms: Instagram, Annette Beauty, Facebook group, Visionary of Beauties. Yeah, so hopefully I'll see you guys over there. That concludes this review. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you like this review, why don't you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, say fabulous, and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.